Hello friends, how are you? I wish you are all well. Today we discuss about a rainy day. Rainy day comes as a musical surprise for all, bringing a luscious climate and chilling weather. Dark clouds shower water droplets over the earth. Underneath them, the climate becomes pleasant, not too cold, neither too hot on a rainy day. A rainy day cleans the flora on land and makes everything look new and fresh. As a result, the greenery around us reveals its lush green color. A rainy day is also suitable for irrigation and increasing the yield, and also for opening up the prospects of conserving rainwater for the future, for it helps to refill the natural water bodies of Earth. It gives a new lease of life to the animals that have been struggling in the absence of water. It is nature's way to resuscitate the earth and the life on it, bringing the benediction of fresh water for all the flora and fauna that depend only on natural water resources. Rainy day is also suitable for agricultural activities as many crops depend entirely on rain. It plays an immense role for farmers as it helps them in the growth and nourishment of crops. Water becomes abundant, rivers, canals, and water bodies get filled up and teeming with life on a rainy day. Rain brings various reptilian and amphibian species out of their hiding like snakes and frogs. At household, many hot delicacies are prepared for the inhabitants to enjoy the cold weather. Rainy day is best spent sitting on the balcony of your house and sipping on hot coffee. Rainy day brings out the best of nature but also the people who are seen happy in the rain. People use umbrellas to travel in the rain and remain dry. But there are also worse side to a rainy day. Sometimes an elaborate amount of rain can cause damage like floods and bring disruption in our work. It also worsens the daily life of undergrad people, making it hard enough for them to make both ends meet. So, friend, thank you so much for watching this video, and friend, please like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Or if you need or any other videos that had been published in our channel previously, you must click the I button and get it. So friend, thank you so much.